Do you guys know that millionaires are made just from people creating their own online boutiques alone? Many of them started out with little to no money. You can start your own business in just 6 easy steps and for free. And I'm going to tell you how. Having multiple streams of income is what changed my life. In this video, you're gonna learn how to start your own boutique, your own business, easy and for free. Stop depending on one income, start exploring your passions, and stay tuned to learn how you could become an entrepreneur today. Hey honeybees, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, my name is Ciara. I'm a full-time mortgage loan officer and I have helped hundreds of people to buy real estate and to build wealth. So I take what I know and I share it with you in hopes that you all will build wealth too. Okay. So let's just get started. The first thing you're gonna need to do when you are developing your own boutique online in your own business is think of a product. You have to find the product. You have to find suppliers that sell them. You have to figure out how you will sell it, where, what platform. So I'm gonna let you in on the #1 secret to doing this quick and easy, and that is drop shipping. So drop shipping is a business model where retailers sell inventory without actually owning the products and housing the products themselves. So the supplier ships the product directly to the customer. So you, the seller, don't have to purchase a bunch of inventory and hold onto it. You can purchase inventory as needed from the supplier and from some websites. This is how drop shipping works. So first, you're going to actually list the product. The customer orders the product and you get to keep the profit. An order gets placed to the supplier and then the supplier ships directly to the customer. Drop shipping is such a major key when it comes to creating your own online boutique or business where you're selling products, because there's very low risk because you're not keeping inventory. So here are the benefits of doing it this way. There's less initial capital and low overhead that's required. So you're not required to put a bunch of money into it, and you're not required to spend a bunch of money to make the business work. So if it doesn't work out for you, then you're not assuming the entire risk of having had bought a bunch of products on your own dime. So with this model, anyone can start selling products. This also allows you to let a third party handle the fulfillment, which can include things like product warehousing, organizing, tracking, labeling. So this makes it really easy to get started and then scale up. It's much easier than a traditional business model. You assume less risk and you don't have to worry about things like funding and managing a warehouse, handling packing and shipping, tracking inventory for accounting, handling returns and inbound shipments. And you don't have to worry about continuously ordering products and managing an inventory level. It's flexible for time and location. So due to the fact you don't have to worry about inventory or holding products or warehousing, you can really run your business from any place at any time, as long as you have connection to the internet and a website that you can utilize. And so with this model, you have much more freedom to try different products out. If they don't work, then you don't have to worry about selling a bunch of inventory. It just gives you a lot more freedom and control. You can sell products that are really in demand. You can also really focus on sales, which is wonderful. You're not worrying about a lot of the back end stuff. So really you can be a one-man show, focus on your sales, and really just focus on boosting your profit. Okay, so once you've chosen a product, you've decided what you want to sell, you are going to have to determine where you're going to sell it and how you're going to sell it. So to do this, you're going to need to create your own web store, and you can do this on a plethora of sites. You just choose which one works best for you. There's sites that you can integrate and create a web store, like Facebook, Shopify, that's a huge one, BigCommerce, WordPress, Amazon, eBay. There's so many different options for platforms that you can use for your online store. So the third thing you want to do is actually sign up and register with a drop shipping company. The one that I recommend is called Doba, D-O-B-A. Doba is actually one of the best leading drop shipping companies, and I really like it because with just one subscription, you have access to hundreds of suppliers and millions of products. And with Doba, you can find products in pretty much any category. Doba is actually really simple to use. That's another thing I really love about it. It's really user-friendly. All you're gonna do is search for or browse any product by keyword or category. And then once you find the products you wanna sell, you're gonna use one of the many integrations they have to easily add products to your chosen site like Amazon, eBay, Shopify, BigCommerce, WooCommerce, and then there's more. So what you can do is you can check the status of orders on the Doba website, and also Doba's customer support team is there to help with anything you need, which is great, and I love that. So they will help you with anything from order related questions to product selection, and then you can actually speak to a live human over the phone, chat, or email, which is really, really nice. And they're always expanding their assortment. They're always actively searching for suppliers with new, interesting, and trendy products, and they bring on new suppliers every month. And one cool thing is that you can save big with Doba's seasonal cash grab sale, and they did that for October. They're doing it for November and December. You can get deals through prepay cash. For new members, you actually get $20 prepay cash after your first completed order until December 31st. They're also doing a promo where you can get cash back on all orders November through December. So definitely check that out as a really cool promotion they're doing right now for the season. So the next step is to actually search for the products and list them on your chosen platform. You want to start off by doing some market research, and you may actually want to start doing your market research when you're choosing what you're going to sell. What's going to be most profitable? What's in right now? What's at a good price point that people will really want to buy? People are staying at home a lot now, so things in technology are probably really popping right now. There's just so many different things you could do, but you want to make sure you do your market research, research what's trending, research what prices are selling the most, research what products, what brands, look at your competitors. Do all of these things when you're choosing what products you're going to sell and how you're going to sell them. So then you want to focus on your branding. Branding is major. When you have any business, your brand is everything. So get really creative, and you can even create your own colorways, your own brand kit, choose fonts that pop. Even with the products you use, kind of decide on what your brand is or what your overall look will be for your site, what your mission is, what kind of products you want to sell, what effect you want those to have, or how you want that to affect people's life. Are you selling products that are going to make them feel glam? Well, then you probably need a branding focus or branding strategy that centers on glamorous and luxurious lifestyle, things like that. Are you selling products to help people learn, right? So then your brand is going to be all about learning, education, being helpful, usefulness, how to, things like that. But you get the idea. Your brand is really going to push forward your product. And since you don't have to worry about the back end of the business in terms of managing inventory and supply and warehousing products, you can focus solely on marketing, branding, getting your name out there, getting your products out there. You may want to create an Instagram for your business. You may want to create a YouTube for your business. You can create a Facebook page for your business, Twitter. I mean, you guys know there's so many options on social media, and all for free. You can make business cards, tell your friends and family. You can go to many different retailers to get the same product. But what is it that makes you decide to get it from one retailer over another? Maybe it's price. Maybe it's brand loyalty. Maybe you really just like the brand. Maybe it's their marketing. So So don't sleep on how important your branding is to your business and how it will help you profit. And number 6, you will want to market and advertise. So you are going to want to advertise everywhere you can and at every chance you get. The more you advertise, the more business you bring in, the more customers, the more people that are seeing your site, laying their eyes on your site. And this is really important because it's going to help you sell more products and make more profit. There's tons of different sites and resources you can use that will help you and give you tips on free marketing strategies and branding. If this is something you guys want me to talk about more in the future, then definitely let me know down below. It's very low risk. It's very easy to market for free. Anyone can do it, and this helps create an extra stream of income. Do you guys know that millionaires are made just from people creating their own online boutiques alone? And many of them started out with little to no money. So don't sleep on the power of drop shipping. Definitely check out Doba. I will have it linked down below in the description box. This is the #1 site in my eyes for drop shipping because they give you so many different options and they have great customer support and you have access to so many different products and suppliers. To me, that is the route that you should go if you want to create your own business online, your own online boutique, your own online store. Okay, so to sign up and register for Doba, all you're going to do is go to Doba. The link's down below. It's www.doba.com. You're going to click the 30-day free trial button. You actually get 30 days free trial for new Doba members now, so definitely take advantage of this. And to get started, you're going to go to the website, you're going to log in your account, you're going to go to the Doba search products tab link, and you can choose your needs. And then Doba is going to return products according to your needs. So in order to list a product, you're going to go to the product pages and click list it to store, and then that will directly list the products to your store. You can also click the download list button to enter the page to list the batch products to your store. That means you can list more than one product at a time, maybe save some time, makes it a little bit easier. Okay, honeybees, I hope that was helpful. Those are 6 tips to getting started with your own online boutique. Easy, free, and you can even start doing that today. Even if you're watching this video at 2 in the morning, you can do it during the holidays if you have time on a holiday break. If it doesn't work out for you, then there's virtually no risk. You get a 30-day free trial and you're not required to put in a bunch of money. Go ahead and try it out. You might just be the next online boutique millionaire. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you learned something, please make sure to hit the thumbs up button and let me know in the comment section. I want to know if you guys have more questions. I want to know who actually is going to follow through and do this. And if you do, let me know what products you sell. List your store down below in the comments so we can all check it out. Also, make sure to subscribe so you can be part of the Honeybee fam, and hit the bell button so you can get notified when I upload more videos on entrepreneurship, finance, mortgage, everything you need to be bomb and successful. Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching. I love you to the bank and back, and I'll see you in my next video.